This is Tom Salemi. We're here at OIS at AAO in Las Vegas. I'm here with Reza Zadno, who of course is well known in ophthalmology circles and is now entrepreneur in residence at InterWest and innovation advisor for the Novartis Venture Fund, correct?
That's correct. Yes.
Well, welcome to OIS.
Thank you. Thank you. Good
What,
to be here.
what kind of work are you doing at Novartis? It's obviously a pharma company and you're a Medtech guy. How did that come together?
Novartis was one of the investors at Visiogen. They led the last round of Visiogen. So I had a working relation with them. They were looking for someone who could help them identify new areas of investment in medical devices, in Medtech, and also help them with deal flow on medical devices. Historically, they have done more biotech, although they did many medical devices. So we talked, and because of the prior relation and this need, so we thought we would do that. So that's what I'm doing as part-time with Novartis Fund.
You know, they've always had a device dedicated partner, I know, at the Venture Fund.
Yeah, Steve Weinstein.
Yep.
Steve Weinstein is the dedicated partner on medical devices, although other partners do also medical devices, but Steve is the one who does most of the medical devices at Novartis Fund.
Now, Medtech itself is going through some sort of rediscovery and trying to find its way, but in ophthalmology, there seems to still be a robust appetite for medical device technologies as potential therapeutic solutions.
Yes, demographics in ophthalmology help, starting with presbyopia, where still many companies are developing because of the number of patients, number of people. Just in the US, 75 million Americans between the age of 45 and 65. You still need products that help patients to get rid of their glasses. Macular degeneration. Of course, most of them are biotech, but glaucoma devices have been very effective reducing IOP. And then we saw this morning digital ophthalmology, but I don't know if we can put them in the category of medtech, but digital ophthalmology we saw this morning is growing very fast, and in fact this year we saw a number of companies presenting.
Well, the line is definitely blurring between the two. Final question, you started Visiogen a decade and a half ago. You've been involved in ophthalmology for all this time. How does the innovation spirit sort of now compared to back then? There's obviously a lot more has happened since then, but it seems like, as you noted, the market for ophthalmology just continues to grow.
Yes, it continues to grow. So since Visiogen, we saw a number of new technologies that came, femtosecond lasers. So what we see is in the front of the eye, in the back of the eye, technologies have developed in both areas. You saw number of femtosecond laser companies that developed, and some of them were acquired. Glaucoma, MIGS have been very popular. Presbyopia, corneal inlays are still very popular. So as I mentioned, what is helping are the demographics, and that allows for innovation. So what becomes more difficult is when you become a second generation Me Too. Those are more difficult to fund, but there are still many breakthrough technologies that are there for investment.
Well, I appreciate you taking some time today.
Okay, thank you.